Hi, my name's Damien Hawkins. I'm Director of Production for Grass Valley, and I want to be able to talk to you today about Framelight X. Framelight X is a media asset management system, and the key point about this is that it is cloud native from the ground up. Not a lift and shift, built cloud native from the ground up. It means that we can federate assets across the entire planet. Some of the features in Framelight X, we can caption workflows from ingest all the way to delivery. So whether it's ANC data, whether it's a subtitle sidecar file, we can bring them in, we can decode the captions, we can edit with them, put them on a timeline. We have a multi-layer timeline editor within Framelight X, can do HTML5 graphics, we can do subtitle tracks, as I said, we can add alpha channels with keys, and do all of that, and then deliver that out, not only to ANC data for the subtitles, but also as a sidecar file of subtitles. Now, what we're trying to solve here is just make it easier for people to deliver sports and news, okay? Framelight X is all about delivery and ease of being able to produce content for both sports and news. We have very tight integration with all of the NRCS vendors. It doesn't matter who they are. We can work with those and have story-driven and MOS integration to be able to do our play out directly from within Framelight X. Some of the other things we have generic file support. So if you want to bring in PDF docs, Word docs, to be able to tie all of those together with the assets, so you've got them all wrapped up in a manifest, then we have the capability to do that. We can truly make remote working work for anybody on the planet. And this is one of the things here. We have migration strategies from both our SQ customers and for our Stratus customers. This means that immediately we can federate and allow anybody from anywhere with a browser to be able to access their content, okay? It's about being able to make those workflows easier. People don't have to travel into the office necessarily. They can work remotely from home. And the asset only exists once on the system. We don't have copies of it in different locations because all of the proxies live up in our stream store, up in this tree. So it means that we only have one copy of the media. Now that immediately means that you're saving money on storage costs, it makes workflows more efficient, and it means that you can actually have a much lower cost to your production, which is really key here. We can deliver content out of here via our MOS clip list player, which can be driven by an NRCS rundown, or we could simply take it on a clip list player, a clip player. We have automation as well that can drive our content and be able to deliver that. We also have file-based delivery workflows here. So within Framelight X, we have Framelight X Workflow. Framelight X Workflow allows you to set up and deliver content in multiple different file formats to multiple locations, all at the press of a single button. Or you could automate the process using metadata. Now, I should also remind you that we also have very tight integration with both our own Edius platform, Edius Editor, and also Adobe Premiere, both for high-res editing and for proxy editing on both. So you can start a job within the Framelight X editor, add all of your effects, do your transitions. You could finish it there if you wanted to, but if you wanted to do more with it, then you can go and take it into Edius. All those effects will be there, all the transitions will be there, and you can deliver it from there and finish it off and then bring it back into Framelight. We have Edius project management within Framelight, so you want to be able to save a project on your Edius and being able to share it to another user, we can do that. All of the sources get locked, so that any Edius project that's available within Framelight, nobody can delete those assets from underneath you. So very efficient workflows there. Framelight X Editor, Edius, or Adobe Premiere, really offering customers the choice that they want. Okay, so I think from what you've heard today, you'll agree that Framelight X is the MAM of the future. Truly cloud native, efficient workflows, remote workflows, being able to save you both time and money.